Hi everybody. Today I want to show you a very simple method to replace the cartridge of the filter for pool. You know that's very expensive and usually should be changed very rapidly because of the of course and the depend of the size of your pool. But there is another method to use very cheap material instead of this cartridge. You can see here a cartridge that is used and it's not possible to clean it again. I want to cut it, all its waste, and then use the other material to use as the filter in my cartridge filter. You can cut it, it's very simple, it's like a pepper with the cutter. You can see here, it's cut completely. I continue up to cut all the pepper and just remain these two cap, and also at the middle you can see it's a very good structure to bundle with the other material like fiberglass, or for example something like pillow fiber, something like this. Take care to use of the cutter for your finger and everything. You can see, oh my god, it's not used anymore. Okay, it's finally finished. You can see all the paper threw it away, and there is a structure here. It's very useful to use the other material as the filter, cheaper than this cartridge filter. I can show you how we can use it. I should clean it here and this side, and of course there is some resin type of material to use for the paper fixing the place. No problem at the two end. I show you how to use the other material. Okay, it's finished. As you can see, I wash it out. Please note there should be no particle remaining in this area because it could go through your filtration system and block it. So as I told you, there is a resin type material at the end, but as much as possible you should cut the paper and throw it away. As you can see, it's two-part with the union part to connection these two. Now we can ready to use the other material instead of the cartridge filter. I show you. Okay, as you can see, it's totally cleaned out and there's nothing here. Just we have a structures just to fit in our cartridge filter. So we can bundle with this fiberglass. This is fiberglass that's normally used for mattress. You can buy it from any store, about 1 centimeter thickness, and bundle around the structures. But just to prevent the particle from the fiberglass go through our filtration system and block our filtration system, I think it's better to use a mesh. Plastic mesh is better than fiber mesh. Is a plastic mesh around here to prevent the particle go through the filtration system, and then bundle the fiberglass at the end, another layer of the mesh, and then we can fix it with the cable belt. With the cable belt we can fix it. Now I start to do this and show you the result. Okay, it's ready now. As you can see, it's a bundle of the fiberglass up to all the surrounding, and now I should cover it with the plastic mesh and then fix it with this cable belt. Because of the surroundings too much than one cable belt, I use 3 connected together, and then fix it as a normal filter. Okay, it's finished. As you can see, it's just full of fiberglass layer using mattress, as I told you, and covered by a layer of the plastic mesh. Now I can put it in my cartilage filter housing and use it as the filter. We can test it. Hopefully it's worked good. Okay, here is my pump room and also cartridge filter. I can open and take the old one out and use this one to test it. Okay, good news. Now I'm testing my new filter and I send it through the curtain fountain because I want to see if there is any particle or something like this in the water. That it's nothing. On the other hand, we should check the pressure in the filter. How is it? Oh, it's normal. It's very good news. Good luck, everybody. You can see that it's very cheap filter.